Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma Desktop App not opening issues in 2026. If the Figma app won't launch, gets stuck on loading, or closes immediately after opening, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, restart your computer and try opening the Figma Desktop App again. Temporary system glitches can often prevent apps from launching properly. Next, check if Figma is already running in the background. Open Task Manager, end any Figma processes, and then relaunch the app. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. The Figma Desktop app requires an active connection to load and sync data. Next, update the Figma Desktop app to the latest version. Outdated versions may have bugs that prevent the app from opening. Now try running the app as an administrator if you're using Windows. This can fix permission-related startup issues. Next, temporarily disable antivirus software, firewall settings, or security tools that may be blocking Figma from launching. If the issue continues, clear the Figma cache or temporary application data. Corrupted cache files are a common cause of startup failures. Now check that your operating system is fully updated, since missing updates can cause compatibility issues. Next, close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources and memory. Finally, uninstall the Figma Desktop app completely and reinstall a fresh copy from the official website. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma Desktop app not opening issues. The app should now launch normally without any startup errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.